This raccoon may be cute, but that's not enough to convince Austin to share.
That's my pizza, man. That's my pizza.
Austin was surprised by a raccoon boldly approaching a human for food, but that didn't stop him from breaking down why sharing pizza wasn't going to happen.
Can you go get your own pizza? Like, I worked hard for this pizza. I made my money. And then I bought it on this pizza, and you're gonna try and steal this pizza from me?
Austin realizes both pizza and human contact aren't the best choice for a raccoon, so he gently encourages his visitor to go back into the woods.
Go on. Go get somebody else's pizza. Come on.
Nice try, Raccoon.